This is what your portfolio looks like after 6 years of coding. This is my new portfolio, which I made using Next.js and React 3 Fiber primarily. It is feeling a bit glitchy due to the screen recording, but besides that, it works smoothly on all devices. You can test it by visiting this link. I started coding about 6 years ago, but really got the essence of what coding is 1 year later. I have worked with many clients and have helped them make their websites and complex systems, such as automatic video generation, AI blog writing systems, posts making systems, and even systems that sync data between CRMs such as HubSpot and website builders such as Shopify. I am also an expert in optimizing websites and doing SEO, search engine optimization. For reference, here is the score of my current website. If you also want such high scores, want a good-looking website or any automation systems, just leave me a message.